Khadgar said you would come. I thought it best to wait for you. Keep your gaze fixed on your target.
My people are no strangers to voices from below, but this radiant song is different.
It's being heard all across Azeroth. The Council doesn't know what to make of it.
There must be someone who does. I'll let you know what I find.
Valeria. It's been too long, old friend.
Good to see you, Khadgar. Doing well?
As well as can be expected. How's the family?
I haven't... It's better if I keep my distance.
Of course. The Void. That would be... Actually, your connection to the Void is why I asked you here. We still don't know what this Dark Heart relic is capable of. But we do know it's in the hands of someone called the Harbinger. Who they are and what they intend to do remains a mystery. Which is why I need your help.
To hunt down a dangerous foe we know nothing about. Honestly, I could use the distraction.
Same old Valeria. Void or no void. I didn't mean to,
See you soon, Khadgar. Dark Heart in hand.
You've arrived just in time. It is a world of wonder.
I'll open a rift for us. Follow me. Head through when you're ready. Have the Rendorai noticed any void disturbances lately?
We have. The Riftwalkers just returned from their investigations. We embrace power. We do not fear it.
There's something else. A vision is being seen all across Azeroth. They call it the Radiant Song.
Interesting. I'll report this to Locust Walker. But for now, let us speak of your investigation.
There was a strange increase in void activity within Aberus. We're still unsure what caused the surge. All quiet now, though.
We fight for a new future. I investigated void incursions along the southern coast. But any sign of battle had long passed when I arrived. Seems like a dead end. The Void... Not much to report, I'm afraid. I sensed activity to the north of the continent, but the trail went cold near Zulaman.
Riftwalker Nilara has yet to return from Northrend. Troubling. Baladash Malanore. The light is not the only path.
The Riftwalker's absence. Could it be connected to the Dark Heart? We each walk a line. Choose yours. There.
We did it! Our future is secured!
Tell me, little one, have you ever questioned why the Titans preserve this timeline?
The Titans safeguard our world from monsters like you!
Your faith means nothing to them. As you burn in the flames of my brother's wrath, they will not come. All they wanted was our world. With this, the Harbinger will pry it from their grasp. And when the Titans come to reclaim their prize, I will be waiting.
Greetings. The Shadows can be an ally, if controlled. This is where Iridikron empowered the Dark Heart. But that was millennia ago. Why would there be void activity here? Why now? Tracks. They might belong to our Riftwalker. Let's follow them. Galakrond was consumed by a never-ending hunger. And that same hunger was used to empower the Dark Heart. The Riftwalkers reported fluctuations in void energy, followed by a period of calm. Could the Dark Heart be absorbing magical power and converting it to shadow? These tracks lead north. Wait, I sense something. Is it Ulduar? Well, we're on the right track. Aim.
So, you finally arrived. My honored guests.
A voice.
Harbinger shall usher in a new age to the Void Elves.
Shadows have taken her. Defend yourself.
You seek my dark heart. Very well. Come take it.
This is Eridath. We do what we must. Why show me these memories? What is the Harbinger's plan? This is the last time I saw my son as a boy. my Arator. I was so thankful for that day. Zira helped me to reach out to him. Yet the light's power wasn't enough to defeat the Legion. Rejecting the role of Ranger General was not an easy choice. For me or my family. Yet leaving them behind, I failed to protect them. This is a hunt. I left my world, my son, to protect them. And leaving the Army of the Light was just the same.
I would rather have died than have you fall to evil.
I know. And yet my fate has not changed.
Oh, your greatest regret. Let's bring it to life, shall we?
No! This isn't what happened!
You have forsworn the light, Illyria, and so you are my enemy.
We must follow him!